Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen, which is smaller has been asked to you 2 or log of 2 base e minus 1 plus log of e minus 1 base 2. So guys, to solve such type of question I would have to simplify this thing written over here. I would be going to write it like log of 2 base e minus 1 plus log of e minus 1 base 2 is given to you. So the first thing can be written by me like 1 divided by log of e minus 1 base 2 plus log of e minus 1 base 2. Now guys, you might be wondering what is the value of e minus 1. E is approximately 2.7 my dear students, so e minus 1 will be approximately 1.7. Now let's come upon to the graph of this log. So graph of the log I'll be drawing, because base is 2, so it is greater than 1, so it will be definitely an increasing function, and it would be drawn by me like this. So this is what 1, 0, log of 1 is equal to 0. What do we have in the argument of log? We have in the argument of log 1.7 over here, 1.7. So approximate value of 1.7's log will be a positive quantity. Okay, had it been be a 2, okay, so log of 2 base 2 would have become what, 1 over here. Okay, so guys, what is the most important thing I have to concentrate it over here is, let us assume log of e minus 1 base 2 is equal to x. Log of e minus 1 base 2 is equal to x. So 1 upon x plus x will be greater than or equal to 2, or 1 upon x plus x will be less than or equal to minus 2. When it will be less than or equal to minus 2, if x will be a negative quantity. But guys, x is not a negative quantity. This is the value of log of e minus 1 base 2, which is a positive quantity. So if x is a positive quantity, x plus 1 by x should be greater than or equal to 2. But when it will be equal to 2? It will be equal to 2 when instead of e minus 1, I would have written 2 over here. Instead of e minus 1, I would have written what, 2 over here. So it would have been written by me like 1 upon 2 base 2 log of 2 base 2 plus log of 2 base 2. This would have become 1, and this would have become 1, so it would have become 2. That means x plus 1 upon x will be equal to 2. When it will be equal to 2? When instead of e minus 1, I would have kept 2 over there. But since e minus 1 is kept over here, so it would be then what? If it is not equal to 2, it will be definitely greater than 2. That means 1 upon x plus x is greater than 2. That means what? 1 upon log of e minus 1 base 2 plus log of e minus 1 base 2 is greater than 2. That means what? Log of 2 base e minus 1 plus log of e minus 1 base 2 is greater than 2. So this is what? This is greater than 2. Okay, and what was the other number given to you? 2 was the other number given to you. So which is smaller was asked to you. Something which is greater than 2 would be definitely lesser than the number 2 written over here. So which will be the smaller quantity? Something which is greater than 2 will be definitely greater than the number 2 written over here. So which will be the smaller quantity? 2 will be the smaller quantity. So which answer should be marked by us? 2 should be marked by us. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching my dear students.